What's up, guys? It's me, Quincy Moreland, and I got monetizzle to dizzle. If you don't know what that means that I got monetized today. Hey, thank you for coming back to the channel. I'm gonna show you exactly what happened when you get monetized, or when I got monetized, and what to expect coming up next. So yes, after a year of me being on YouTube seriously, I finally got monetized. Before I get into it, first and foremost, I want to say thank you guys for watching my content, commenting, sharing, liking. It's because of you guys that I can even share this video and make this video. Simple disclaimer, guys, I'm not saying this to brag or to boast, but I just want to show those who are in the process of getting monetized, you know, what to expect, what emails to expect, what your YouTube studio is gonna look like, and notifications that'll pop off. And just so you can be aware of, you know, hey, the same thing that I was looking for. So the first thing I did was I signed up for an AdSense account actually last year when I knew that I was gonna go on this YouTube journey. Having your AdSense account already set up will actually put you ahead of the game. That way, when it comes time for you to reach your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watched hours, you do not have to wait for to set up an AdSense account and wait for that process to be completed. AdSense is the account that you need to get paid. Google AdSense actually pays you, not YouTube. So I had that account set up already. So knowing that that was already taken care of, all I needed to get was 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watched hours. When did monetization happen for me? It happened shortly after 2,500 subscribers. Today is Monday, and actually on Friday I got an email that said steps 1 and 2 were complete, and I actually will pop up a couple of screenshots. At first I got an email that said that I completed steps 1 and 2, and this is the email. Apply for monetization. Your channel, Quincy Moreland, has passed the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watched hours in the last 12 months requirement of YouTube Partner Program. And it says your channel is not yet monetized. Go to the monetization section and to complete or to check the next steps. If you've already accepted terms and set up AdSense, there was no further action needed. So when I saw this email, at first I got excited. I was like, yes, I'm monetized. And then I saw this part that said, your channel is not monetized yet. And I still thought that all I have to do is go there and then start putting ads on the videos. But when I went there, I realized that the review process automatically started because I had already set up an AdSense account last year. So if you want the review process to start automatically, whether you're sleeping or at the job, when you hit those 2 requirements, already have an AdSense account set up. So it is true what some other YouTubers mention. If you don't want to delay it and you want the ball rolling, make sure you have the subscribers that you need, you have more than 4,000 watched hours within a 12-month rolling period, and you have your AdSense account already set up. So this was at 12 o'clock yesterday, and I was kind of anxious, and so I woke up a couple of times to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, and at 1 o'clock, you know, it hadn't got monetized yet, it hadn't got reviewed yet. But I kept hearing that it could take a couple of days, it could take a couple of weeks. You hear the horror stories that it could take about 3 to 4 months. I was like, oh no. And I kept seeing this email and this thing on the YouTube studio that kept saying because of COVID-19 and the coronavirus, you know, the review process can delay your channel from being monetized in a timely manner. So I'm thinking, oh man, I'm gonna be one of them horror stories, you know, where it's like 2 and 3 months. And I woke up at 5 o'clock to go to the bathroom, and I saw this email, and I just read it first. I read it because I didn't want to jump the gun. I read it, and I'm gonna show you right now. So this is the email that I seen. Congratulations, you've been approved to join the YouTube Partner Program. Oh man, y'all don't understand. Y'all don't understand. It's been a long time coming. Whew, man. you don't understand. It's been a long time coming. I'm talking sweat. I'm talking, you know, hey, can y'all be quiet? Hey, I'm trying to record a video. I'm trying to find locations. I'm trying to find corners. I'm trying to record in different spots. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make the air conditioning. It gets hot in here with all these lights. You know what I'm saying? So it's been a long time coming, but check it out. Congratulations, your YouTube channel, Quincy Moreland, has been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program and is now able to monetize on YouTube. To get you started, check out YouTube Creator Hub. We're looking forward to working with you. Thanks, the YouTube team. So to let you know exactly, if I could backtrack a little bit, what it showed before I got accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, right here, this screenshot is exactly what it showed. It showed step 1, review partner program terms, was done. Step 2, sign up for Google AdSense, was done. And then of course it showed step 3 where it says in progress, get reviewed. And it says YouTube will review your channel to make sure it complies with the YouTube monetization policies. I was like, man, it's gonna take forever. And usually when you feel like that, it's because you know you have videos that are trending, maybe that are going viral. And what you don't want to happen is those videos trend and go viral and then they cap out and then all of a sudden you get accepted into the program when you could have made money on those videos. And so that's what I was dreading. I was like, no, please let it monetize real soon, or let me get accepted real soon. Because, I mean, hey, it's, you know, you gotta be honest, you know, I'm in it because I like to make videos, I like to create, I like to teach and share tips and tricks on how to do things on social media. But hey, let's be honest, you know, bills need to get paid, you know, and I appreciate everyone. First and foremost, I want to thank everyone for helping me get here, because it's without you guys, I wouldn't be able to get monetized. Without, you know, having viewers to watch the content and that like the content, there would be no, you know, monetization. So, you know, thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for resharing my videos and watching the videos. You know, I really do appreciate it, and I don't take that lightly. Now, I gotta show you this. This is like a bad screenshot. This is a picture of me taking a picture of my screen, but YouTube did me wrong. They did me, I love you, YouTube, but y'all did me wrong. Y'all did me dirty. Y'all did me dirty, right? So on the left, you'll see that I had 2470 subscribers. If you can kind of see that, 2,470 subscribers, so way over the 1,000 required. But then over here on the right, because it updates each day, 3,996 public watch hours. So, and this was on Friday. This is on Friday. So you mean to tell me on Friday y'all couldn't just round off them 4 hours and make it 5 hours, whatever? You know, so on Friday I could have already reached it, but they did me dirty. This is a quick shot of me being excited when I found out that I reached the watch hours. I was having fun, you know, I was a little pumped. So I'm actually going to show you in the YouTube studio what's different once you get accepted into monetization, or the YPP YouTube Partner Program. So over here you actually have the monetization tab, whereas before you would click on it and it would say, you know, either first, second, third was pending. Now it shows, you know, earn money from your YouTube channel. See all the ways you can earn money for what you love to do. You can click on that. Video advertising, you can make money from multiple ads, different types of ads on your videos, and supers. Now what's cool is fans can purchase goods on your channel to connect with you during live streams, premieres, and uploads. Features include super chat and super stickers. So I only went live about 2 or 3 times. I don't have a lot of people on my live chats. However, I do eventually know that I will get there. And you can make money off of, you know, people highlighting their questions, and, you know, paying to do that off of super chat and super stickers. I might venture into that at some point, but right now my lives might have like 4 people on it, and that's about it. Whereas on these other YouTube channels, there's like 100 people on it, you know, 180 people on it at the same time. And so at that time, yeah, you'd want your, you know, question to the YouTube person, you know, to stand out. What I like about the YouTube Partner Program also is that there is this channel copyright tool. So if you've made any videos on YouTube and they are now circulating on someone else's YouTube channel, whether they grabbed it from YouTube or downloaded it or screen recorded it and then uploaded it to their channel, you have this whole page, could be, I have 10 pages, and it shows you whose channel your video is on. Now that's a compliment, but you also want to make sure that they're not robbing your content. And a lot of them I've already checked out, and I'll show you the screen right now. I'll pop this up. And so all of these right here are my videos, some professional videos that I've done before I was actually into YouTube and before I niched down. And then of course also some YouTube, TikTok videos that I've done, and it shows you that my video is on other people's channel. And on the far right, it shows you what percent of it is a match to your video. So some of my videos are in compilation videos, a lot of TikTok videos that I've made on TikTok, and I uploaded them to my YouTube channel. Someone grabbed them off of YouTube and put them, someone grabbed them off of YouTube and put them in a compilation video. Your options are archive, request removal, or contact channel. I would like to think that I thought I could run ads on their videos, because that's happened to me before, where I had someone's content purposely in my video and I was told in the email that I didn't need to do anything, but that ads would run on the video. And I think usually it was because I had music that was in the video. Just want to let you know that's one of the features I like about being monetized, is you can see that. So let's go into my analytics. Okay, right now it's day 1. I got monetized. If you saw the email, it said about 3 o'clock this morning. So if you look, I'll take a screenshot. If you look at my channel analytics right now, obviously your estimated revenue is 0. Why? Because the revenues are delayed 24 to 48 hours. So in a day or 2, that's when I will see monies accrued in my AdSense account. So nothing there yet, but I'm excited because I know right now that it shows which videos I've turned monetization on for and which ones I have decided not to. Now I'm just going to show a couple of these, but if we look at frequently asked questions about TikTok, you will be able to see that I turned on monetization. You can click it, you can turn it on or off. We'll hit cancel because I want to leave it on. It's public. Right here, monetization, you can click on it and it will take you to each video. And you can see what types of ads you want to show on that video. So I choose skippable ads. I don't want to click on non-skippable ads. I don't want any of you guys to suffer and be tortured to forcefully watch an ad before my video shows up. I highly encourage that you watch the ads. It will help me out. It will help me to continue to bring you awesome content, content that's gonna that you're gonna benefit from. You know, whether it's tips and tricks on the different social media platforms, and you can also see if you have ads that are over 8 minutes. You can have a video ad before, and you can include one in the middle. Now you can actually include more than one video in the middle. You can include probably 1, 2, 3 in the middle, because I've had the option to do that already, and a video at the end. It used to be, and it says right there, only videos longer than 8 minutes are eligible for ads during the video. It used to be you had to have a 10-minute video in order to place ads in the middle. Now it's just 8 minutes. So I was excited about that because I have about 6 videos that are just barely over 8 minutes. And I only have 4 videos that are over 10 minutes. So I got lucky on that one. Hey guys, you know what? Short and quick video. I just wanted to show you what to expect, or what you can expect to see, whether it be emails, notifications, what your YouTube studio would look like, some of the messages you will get when you are approaching monetization and when you actually qualify and get accepted to the YPP or the YouTube Partner Program. Alright guys, so hey, once again, thank you guys for watching, subscribing, liking my videos, commenting. Really thankful that I've been able to provide you content. If you have any questions or videos you would like to see in the future, leave those in the comments. Please let me know and I will get around to making those videos for you. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. That way I can keep bringing you content like this. Alright guys, hey, I'll talk with you soon.